Driving theory test. Why are vehicles fitted with rear fog lights? To make them more visible in thick fog. To warn drivers following closely to drop back. To show when they've broken down in dangerous position. To make them more visible when driving at high speed. The correct answer is to make them more visible in thick fog. Explanation: rear fog lights make it easier to spot a vehicle ahead in foggy conditions. Avoid the temptation to use other vehicles' lights as a guide, as they may give you a false sense of security. Why should you try and park in a secure car park? It doesn't cost anything to park here. It makes it easy to find your car. It helps deter thieves. It stops the car being exposed to bad weather. The correct answer is it helps deter thieves. Explanation: whenever possible, leave your car in a secure car park. This will help deter thieves. Other than direction indicators, how can you give signals to other road users? By using side lights. By using brake lights. By using fog lights. By using interior lights. The correct answer is by using brake lights. Explanation: your brake lights will give an indication to traffic behind that you're slowing down. Good anticipation will allow you time to check your mirrors before slowing. How can you help to prevent your car radio being stolen? Install a security-coded radio. Park near a busy junction. Park in an unlit area. Leave the radio turned on. The correct answer is install a security-coded radio. Explanation: a security-coded radio can deter thieves, as it's likely to be of little use when removed from the vehicle. You're driving on an open road in dry weather. What distance should you keep from the vehicle in front? 1 car length. A 2-second time gap. 2 car lengths. 2 meters. 6 feet 6 inches. The correct answer is a 2-second time gap. Explanation: one way of checking there's a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front is to use the 2-second rule. To check for a 2-second rule. To check for a 2-second time gap, choose a stationary object ahead, such as a bridge or road sign. When the car in front passes the object, say only a fool breaks the tube. Second rule: if you reach the object before you finish saying the phrase, you're too close and need to increase the gap. Who's responsible for paying the vehicle tax? The registered keeper of the vehicle, the car dealer, the driver of the vehicle, The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA. The correct answer is the registered keeper of the vehicle. Explanation: the registered keeper of the vehicle is responsible for paying the vehicle tax or making a statutory off-road notification. SORN: if the vehicle is to be kept untaxed and off the road. Why is it dangerous to leave rear fog lights switched on after the fog is cleared? They may be confused with brake lights. The bulbs would fail. Direction indicators may not work properly. Electrical systems could be overloaded. The correct answer is they may be confused with brake lights. Explanation: if your rear fog lights are left on when it isn't foggy, the glare they cause makes it difficult for road users behind to know whether you're braking or you've just forgotten to turn off your rear fog lights. This can be a particular problem on wet roads and on motorways. If you leave your rear fog lights on at night, road users behind you are likely to be dazzled, and this could put them at risk. Where should you park your vehicle at night? On a red route, near a police station, in a well-lit area, in a quiet road. The correct answer is in a well-lit area. Explanation: when you're parking at night, park in a well-lit area. This can help deter criminals from targeting your vehicle. What circumstances require you to notify the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA? When you have to work abroad. When your vehicle needs a MOT certificate. When your health affects your driving. When you lend your vehicle to someone. The correct answer is when your health affects your driving. Explanation: DVLA holds the records of all vehicles, drivers and riders and griders in Great Britain and Northern Ireland. They need to know if you have a medical condition that might affect your ability to drive safely. You must tell them if your health deteriorates and you become unfit to drive. Your vehicle has broken down on a motorway. What should you do if you aren't able to get onto the hard shoulder? Switch on your hazard warning lights. Stop the traffic behind and ask for help. Attempt to repair your vehicle quickly. Stand behind your vehicle to warn others. The correct answer is switch on your hazard warning lights. Explanation: if you can't get your vehicle onto the hard shoulder, use your hazard warning lights to warn others. Leave your vehicle only when you can safely get clear of the carriageway. Don't try to repair the vehicle or attempt to place any warning device on the carriageway.